What is the rezoning process? The rezoning process is a request to change the zoning of a property from one zoning district to another. Applicants often inquire about the rezoning process when they are interested in pursuing a use that is not permitted within their existing zoning district. There are multiple steps in the rezoning process that applicants must go through before the request to rezone can be approved. Let's have a look at one example. Mary has an idea to open a coffee shop in her neighborhood. After doing some research, Mary finds that her property does not have the appropriate zoning to allow this use. Mary needs to come to the city zoning counter at City Hall. There, city staff will provide Mary with a list of appropriate zoning districts that will allow for a coffee shop use. After working with city staff, Mary has decided to try to rezone her property to the C1 zoning district. The rezoning process consists of multiple steps over the course of a 4 to 6 month period. Mary begins the rezoning process by applying for a pre-application meeting at the zoning counter. The pre-application meeting gives Mary the opportunity to meet with city staff and discuss her proposal. There is also an opportunity for staff to inform Mary of whether her proposal can be supported by city staff, as well as identify any potential concerns. At this time, the proposal may adjust to accommodate staff concerns. After the pre-application meeting, Mary has decided she would like to move forward and formally submit her rezoning application. Mary's next step is to hold a neighborhood meeting to hear any concerns from the adjacent property owners regarding the proposal. Meanwhile, staff and various city departments review Mary's application internally. Staff then prepare a report with a recommendation of approval or denial, along with potential stipulations. Staff will meet with Mary within 1 month of the formal submittal to discuss staff's analysis of the proposal. At this time, Mary will update staff on the results of the neighborhood meeting and any changes to accommodate those concerns. At this meeting, staff will provide the applicant with public hearing dates for the Village Planning Committee, Planning Commission, and City Council. Staff will present their analysis and recommendation, and then Mary will present her request to her specific Village Planning Committee. This is an opportunity for the committee to add stipulations to address any remaining concerns they or the community have expressed. At Mary's Village Planning Committee hearing, the committee recommended a stipulation to add detached sidewalks. Mary's next step is to present the rezoning case to the Planning Commission, which will also have an opportunity to make a recommendation on the proposal and may add, delete, or modify previously recommended stipulations from staff or the Village Planning Committee. At Mary's Planning Commission hearing, the Planning Commission approved the request and added a stipulation to add bicycle racks. If the Planning Commission recommendation of approval is not appealed, the rezoning item will be placed on the City Council consent agenda for approval. If an appeal is submitted, a public hearing will be held at an upcoming City Council meeting. At the meeting, Mary's rezoning application was approved by the City Council.